Hey, welcome back to another video at Gardening with Big Ben. All right, today we're going to do an unboxing of some roses that I got from High Country Roses. They're in Colorado. We're going to do an opening here. These roses just arrived this afternoon. And here we go. Let's see, there's some peanuts here, so we got to be careful. I'm not sure if these are the recyclable kinds here. But we're going to take one rose out at a time. And hopefully we'll minimize the peanuts here. This is the Colette rose. And I don't know if they've done any type of label here. Ooh, it's shedding here. All right, well, here goes that. All right. And here's the rose here. And this is Colette. I'm just going to get some of this packing here. We'd probably have to up-pot this. But it's actually looking pretty good, I'd say. That's the Colette climbing rose. Let's see what we got here. This one here. This is Altissimo. And yes, High Country Rosie Altissimo. You want to see that one? Okay, that's Altissimo. And see, they're all in roughly 4 or 5 inch pots, I think. Yeah, not crazy about the peanuts, but I don't know if these are biodegradable peanuts or not. They look like they could be biodegradable peanuts. They don't feel like the typical styrofoam here. All right, so they're labeled TS, which is short for Tangerine Skies. And you'll see the little inset what Tangerine Skies is supposed to look like eventually. I've ordered a total of 5 roses here. And let's see, this one is, let's see, drum roll, please. Here, this one is Quicksilver. This is like a silverish purple climbing rose here. And the label is, there you go, Quicksilver. And one more rose here to go here. And let's see. I like the way they're wrapped here. They're actually very healthy, not defoliated at all. And this one is Stormy Weather. It's a beautiful climber. All right, and let's see what else we have in here. We have some instructions from High Country Road. There's a packing slip here. There's watering, fertilizing, winter protection, etc. Hardening off your roses here. Here's the list of the invoice here. And these roses were, I believe, 40% off, and I had an extra 20% for the first order I got from them. So it was a really good deal. I saved over $60. All right, well, there you go. Have it on this opening. And we'll do some follow-up videos and show how these roses are doing in the future. In the meantime, take it easy, folks, and happy gardening out there.